Paddle Marketplace is a platform that connects buyers and sellers of software products and services. It allows developers to create an online store, manage their products, and sell them directly to customers. Benefits of using Paddle Marketplace. 1. Easy setup. Create an online store quickly and easily without needing to build your own website. 2. Large customer base. Reach a large and growing audience of potential customers. 3. Payment processing. Paddle handles payment processing, making it easy for you to receive payments. 4. Marketing support. Paddle provides marketing support to help you promote your products. 5. Security and trust. Paddle's platform ensures a secure and trustworthy environment for both buyers and sellers. Things you should know before starting. 1. Fees. Paddle charges a commission fee on each sale, ranging from 5% to 15% depending on the plan you choose. 2. Product requirements. Your product must meet certain requirements, such as being digital, having a unique identifier, and being compatible with various platforms. 3. Competition. Be prepared to compete with other developers selling similar products. 4. Marketing efforts. You'll need to invest time and effort into promoting your products to attract customers. 5. Support. Paddle offers support for both sellers and buyers, but you should be prepared to handle customer inquiries and issues. Tips for success. 1. High-quality products. Develop high-quality products that meet the needs of your target audience. 2. Effective marketing. Use effective marketing strategies to promote your products and attract customers. 3. Customer support. Provide excellent customer support to build trust and loyalty with your customers. 4. Continuous improvement. Continuously improve your products and services to stay competitive.